I want to walk you through the latest updates for Exponential World V2. As you go to the page, it begins to unveil the geopolitical zones, timeline, exponential metrics, and how we're exploring technology, economics, and how politics reshape the world. So as you keep going in, the world appears. You have a timeline. I moved this up front. There are various regions. You can sign in as well, and I let you save your data into the database. You can scrub through the various events that occur, and then the data automatically updates. So you can go into like North American region. I go into the United States. Let's go into Michigan. Now you can actually get into something really cool, which is these county views. So here's Ottawa County. Breaks down all the demographic data, top sectors. You can see even more like workforce, housing. If you want to see more, you can also click on the view full profile, and it'll give you a complete breakdown with also how Ottawa County ranks competitive to different dimensions around the United States. If you want to learn more about why these specific results show up, you can click on each item in the row, and it will give you a breakdown in line, also along with NAV. These are all interactive. You keep going down, and then also pull in the WARN notices. You can see from 2020, obviously, there were quite a few. You've been rising a bit. Still not much data for 26. Breaks down all the sectors. So yeah, you can continue to scroll through this, and it'll update data in real time. 2030, 2032, 2035. Around this time is the event horizon. Very difficult to see what happens beyond that, just because we are dealing with exponential technologies. If you go into North America, and you click on United States, you can also see villages. So I put together 100 different AI agents that are connecting with different, let me put this back to, you can click on any one of these individuals, and they'll tell you what their sentiments are. So this is kind of representative of the entire United States. So still a work in progress on the village review, but the idea is to give you more of a persona view of different mindsets, like institutional investors, a gig worker, a politician, an educator, an activist, urban professional, farmers, and it tells you some of their anxieties, economic anxiety here for the farmer. Autonomous tractors don't need me anymore. Now you can still go into other things here. There's the predictions model that I put together. This is a sophisticated predictions model, still in progress right now. It's a score of C using a Breyer prediction engine, but it's doing daily calibration. So over time, this prediction model will get better, and you can take a look at it for climate, economy, geopolitics, and it'll predict the next events. Also taking into account exponential factors and other factors there. Branches is where you can see, I'll take off some of these scenarios, but you can see the cones of potential, and then, of course, the event horizon around 2035. But, you have things like AI fab networks, the fusion ignitions, humanoid robot factories. This is on the preferred. On the plausible, the probable, it breaks all of these things down. You can move this around. You can zoom in. You also have the ability to the STEEP model. So you have social, technological, ecological, economic, political, education along all these different areas. I've made them less editable, more so that the AI is the one actually determining some of these things. Appreciate any feedback you have here. And then you have some settings. I changed some of the settings so you can pick some of the sources. There's quite a bit of sources. Change the currency peg. Right now it's USD. I can change that to gold or Bitcoin. Oracle represents the prediction engine. So still very much work in progress, as I mentioned, but we will continue to fix some of these bugs and make some changes there. But yeah, I appreciate your thoughts on it. Let me know what you think.